Is your Samsung phone showing the annoying message? Samsung account keeps stopping again and again. Don't worry, in this video I will show you easy and working solution to fix the problem step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open settings. Tap apps. Tap filter and sort. Enable show system apps. Find and select Samsung account. Tap for stop. Tap storage. Click clear cache. Next, open the Galaxy Store. Search for Samsung account. If an update is available, update it immediately. Then go to settings. Tap software update. Tap download and install. Always keep your phone updated to avoid system bugs. Now restart your phone. And that's it. Your Samsung account keeps stopping problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.